Right, FXK family, what's up? What's up? Whoo, man, this week, y'all, crazy week, crazy week. This officially makes 8 weeks on the winning streak, y'all. So this is gonna be y'all's update for this midweek. I just was so busy yesterday. I was gonna postpone the midweek update. I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all these updates, man, because this week was just another beautiful week, man. Let's go ahead and dive in with the updates over everything that happened this week. This week, I shared with you guys 4 tradable charts, which was the DXY. I gave y'all 5. The DXY, EURUSD, USDCAD, NZDUSD, and Bitcoin. We're gonna go through all of these, and so y'all can see the results of everything and how the week pretty much turned out. So again, for those of y'all that are new, my name is DeAndre. I've been trading for 11 years now, going on 12 pretty soon here. It's gonna make a decade soon, y'all. It's been a minute. I specialize in the DXY. I primarily trade Elliott Waves and smart money concepts. That's pretty much me in a nutshell. If y'all are new to the channel, you guys are you're lucky, man, if y'all found me on this YouTube. I'm trying to get this back active and just trying to help as many people as I can, but if y'all have come across this video, then y'all are lucky. So with that being said, DXY retracement into our area of interest perfectly tapped the tip of the zone and gave us that push towards the upside. Throughout the week, I gave y'all constant updates on this as it moved towards the downside, letting y'all know that potentially take some partials on some positions if y'all took the counter positions towards the beginning of the week because of the actual reversal. Again, all of those updates went in the community chat room, which is completely free. The link is down below in the description for the Telegram chat room. Make sure y'all join in the chat room, y'all. All of the updates that I put out for these trades, I put them in the chat room so that y'all can follow along with me and I can help y'all step by step follow these trades and make money. This chat room is designed to give back to the trading community. It's completely free. I post consistent profitable trades in this chat room. I don't know if there's any other chat room truly like it, to be honest with you. So solid community, y'all. Make sure y'all join the chat and get all y'all's updates and make some money, man. With that being said, DXY perfectly executed this week and a push towards the upside. We also had a Bitcoin trade that I shared with y'all over the weekend as well. We were looking at price action to make just a slight correction and start a movement towards the upside. It has done that as well and has pushed out profit. We have also taken some partials on this. If y'all are still in this, make sure y'all are taking profit as it moves up. We are completely risk-free on this as well. That is Bitcoin there. Let's look at EURUSD. Some of our main trades this week we literally missed. EURUSD we missed, NZDUSD we missed, and it was just heartbreaking. NZDUSD we'll talk about next, but for right now, EURUSD, I was looking for a retracement towards this upside into our area of interest, but we just didn't get it all. I should have keyed in on this range too, but I wasn't looking for a sweep. I was looking for more of a mitigation, a stronger mitigation. So I was looking at this range for the movement towards the downside, and we got it early. So it is what it is. But overall, we were looking at price action to come up here and then head down. But she just gave us a slight retracement and a sweep and a movement down. Overall, directional bias fire, but we did miss this trade. NZDUSD, this one, heartbreaking, man. This was my favorite trade. And I broke this one down for y'all on this past weekend's Weekly Forex YouTube that I dropped for y'all. I completely broke this down. So we were looking at price action to just dig just a little bit into this zone and then decline it. We were actually trying to grab it a little bit before we got to this range, and it just didn't give it all the way to us. It came a little bit shy and complete meltdown, man. And I'm just hurt about this. Now, I did let y'all know towards the beginning of the week at market open, I was looking for just a correction and a continuation up. Market actually gapped down. Y'all wouldn't have been able to get in the gap portion of it, but from that point, off of that gap, it literally went straight up. Even if you looked at that short-term opportunity where I told y'all potential short-term movement towards the upside, if y'all did wanted to look at that, you should have been able to even capitalize on that opportunity as well, at least short-term. I did let y'all know, again, on these trades that if y'all were in longs to potentially close out soon because we were expecting that reversal. So I did guide y'all on those as well if you did take the counters. Last trade for this week was USDCAD. And so this one came a little bit early towards the beginning of the week. And most of y'all possibly got in this one over the weekend. I'll let y'all know there's pretty much two areas that we were looking at. So we had this 4-hour FVG, and then we had this 1-hour FVG that we were looking at. And then we had our overall area of interest. Price action actually came in to the 4-hour FVG towards the beginning of the week, gapped up at this crazy wick down, and then pushed back. And then for a few hours it held in there. So at that point, spreads and all of these things have lowered. Opportunity was there. And then we got that decline down into the first order block zone right before getting into this area. So at this point, I completely, if y'all are in the chat room, then y'all would have gotten the updates. But at this point, I did let everybody know to completely close out of this. And that was primarily because of where the DXY was. That is why we ended that, because again, we were looking at the DXY short term down into this range and then move up. Typically, you're going to have pairs like USDCAD and USDCHF who are going to follow the DXY. So this short-term move was just a movement down into this range. We did not get the full range on this, but possibly scalping opportunities y'all were able to make on this one. Outside of that, man, other than that, everything was beautiful. Another flawless week. So no losses overall for this week. If anything, you guys maybe have gotten a break even. Even on that, I don't think anything had the chance to do a break even. So I should have made some money this week. Another solid week. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Again, if you're not subscribed, make sure y'all are subscribed. Why not? We're on an 8-week streak. We're going for 9 next week. So definitely don't want to miss next week and the week after that. I don't know how long I'm going to keep this up, but honestly, how many? We might go 56 weeks. So we'll see. But that's a dream, right? We'll see how it goes. But right now, that is 8 weeks in the bag. Next week, we are going to be targeting 9 weeks of consistency and just beautiful trading, man. So don't miss it. Again, make sure y'all are in the Telegram chat room, which is down below in the description, completely free. If y'all are interested, I don't offer signals, guys. I only offer education. I stopped offering signals years ago. That's not really what I'm into. I'm more so of an educational type of person. However, I am thinking about opening up something pretty soon. You guys let me know y'all's feedback. But the mentor students have what's called the locker room. And so this is where I post my analysis for each week and my directional bias and exactly what I think the market is going to do, along with recordings as well on what I'm expecting the market to do. So if that's something that y'all are interested in, I might end up reopening that back up in a few months. I don't know. But let me know. It just depends on the feedback. Again, I'm trying to do more for just the community overall. So that's why I'm back on YouTube. I'm just trying to, give y'all as much as I can. So y'all let me know if that's something that y'all are interested in as well. But outside of that, y'all still have the Telegram chat room down below, where I'm posting a lot of what I'm doing and trading in there for y'all to make money and follow along with me. So, all right, y'all. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I will see y'all in literally 2 days. Saturday, as usual, we're going to do our drop. And I will see you guys Saturday morning for the weekly analysis to see what we are going to be looking to make some money on for next week. Y'all have a great rest of y'all's week, and I will talk to y'all soon.